Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and you are watching Savage Coder. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will be get notified first when we upload our new video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, the problem statement is given an array A of size n of integer. Your task is to find the minimum and maximum element in the array. So let us understand it by example. Let's say input n is equals to 5. Number of element in array we have to enter is 5. And number of element that we have enter is 3, 2, 1, 56, 10,000. By seeing this we can say minimum is 1 and maximum is 10,000. Just by telling the answer by seeing is very simple. But the main funda is we have to code for this. How we will code? So let's move to the algorithm. First of all, we will take input array n. After taking input, we have to take two variable max and min and is initialize with both a of 0. Means whatever the value of array at 0 position, we will initialize it by max and min. I treat the whole array from 1 to n, and inside the loop we have to check if any of the value of array is greater than max, then we will update the max with that value. Similarly for minimum, if any of the value of array is less than minimum, then we will update the minimum with value of array. After the whole traversal, we will print the value of max and min. Let us understand the pseudocode. For int I is equals to 1 semicolon I less than n semicolon I plus plus. If array of I is greater than max, as per the algorithm, we will update the max. And similarly for if array of I less than minimum, we will update the minimum. Let's make a dry run for our code. Let us understand the array 3, 2, 1, 56, 10,000. As per algorithm, initialize max and min with a of 0. A of 0 is equals to 3. After iteration 1, I is equals to 1, array of 1 is equals to 2. Now we will compare. Array of I is greater than max. 3 is greater than 2, condition false. So max will not be updated. Again check. Array of I is less than min. 2 is less than 3, definitely true. So the min will be updated with the value at array. Means the new value of max and min will be max is equals to 3 and min is equals to 2. Let's say iteration 2. Iteration 2 I is equals to 2 means array of 2 is equals to 1. Again check. Array of I is greater than max means 1 is greater than 3. Condition false. So max will not be updated. Now array of I is less than min means 2 is less than 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. So min will be updated. After iteration 2 max and min will be max will be 3 and min will be 1. After iteration 3, let's check. I is equals to 3 means array of 3 is equals to 56. Again compare. 56 is greater than 3. Condition true. So max will be updated. Now check. Array of I is less than min. Array of I is 56 and min is 1. 56 is less than 1. Condition false. So min will not be updated. After iteration 3, max is equals to 56 and min is equals to 1. Let's move to iteration 4. I is equals to 4. Array of 4 is equals to 10,000. Now check. 10,000 is greater than max value. Max is 56 here. 10,000 is greater than 56. Condition true. So max will be updated. Now check. Array of I is less than min. Here array of I is 10,000 and min is 1. 10,000 is less than min. No. So min will not be updated. After iteration 4, max and min are 10,000 and min is equals to 1. As guys, we have traversed our whole array. So we finally print the value of max and min. So the max is equals to 10,000 and min is equals to 1. I hope you understand the concept. Let's move to our ID.
So guys, this is our ID. The first line is has include stdio.h. The second line is int main. After that, inside the main body we initialize the variable array I is the counter variable, n is the number of element, min and max. After that we displayed a message with the help of printf. Enter the size of array. After that we are taking input with the help of scanf n. How many element user want to enter. After that printf element in array. This will display a message that please enter element in array. After that with the help of for loop and scanf function we take input array element. After that, as per our algorithm, initialize the max and min with a of 0. We initialize the max and min with a of 0 and start the iteration with 1 to less than n. As per our condition, if min is greater than a of I, then we will update the value of min, and similarly for max, if max is greater than a of I, then we will update the value of max. After that, after completing the iteration, we will print the value of minimum and maximum with the help of printf. I hope you understand the program. Let's run this program. Enter the size of array. Let's say it will be 5. Enter the element in array. Let 3, 2, 1, 56, 10,000. As guys you can see, minimum of array is 1 and maximum of array is 10,000. Means our logic is totally correct. I hope you guys understand the concept.